So what up, best friends? Welcome back to my channel. I am working with Tinashe Hair. This is an oldie but goodie on my channel. I've worked with this company numerous of times before. They sent me this barrel curled wig. Now, for the sake of this video, I had to put curls back in it because I felt like maybe they wanted barrel curls on this wig, but it didn't make sense because I feel like if you're gonna style the wig like this, I already have the knots bleached. But even then, I'm still going to wash this wig because it's a whole pandemic outside, so I need to make sure my wig is clean. So I did go ahead and bleach this wig, and it just washed out. So I am going to use 40 volume developer with some quick blue and a tinting bowl and a tinting brush to bleach my wig. Okay, now I always get asked, I prefer quick blue over BW2? And the answer is yes. BW2 is very harsh. Okay, it will have you balding quick. You have to be and it's gritty, like it's just not a smooth consistency. Now, quick blue is blue, so it's going to help tone your knots as well. I still go in with purple shampoo regardless, but I just don't like BW2, and it's so strong in odor and smell. Like, girl, no, that BW2 will have your wig fried and dyed. Okay, so that's just my preference. You don't have to use quick blue. You can use whatever bleach you want. That is up to you. I like quick blue. I'm going to remain using quick blue. Now, I don't know where the footage of me bleaching this wig went, but yeah, I don't know where it went. I'm sorry, you guys, but I bleached it. I put the bleach on it and I let it sit for about 20-25 minutes. And now at this point of the video, I'm washing it off. So yeah, I really don't know where the footage is at because I really recorded it, or maybe I thought I did. I don't know what I'm doing with turning the water on and off. I'm tripping at this point. And as you can see, I'm using hot water, so I think my hands are burning. Oh no, I'm on the phone with my best friend. That's the issue. So as you see, the curls is getting washed out. So I gotta go ahead and condition these, wash these. I'm gonna use my Suave almond shampoo to just wash the wig, and I'm gonna use my silicone mix as well to deep condition that thing. And yes, I usually leave the silicone mix on for 15 minutes, but I'm not going to show you that because it's going to make the video super duper long. Okay, so we're just going to do the washing treatment here for you guys, and I'll tune back in when it's necessary. So because I did bleach the knots, I'm gonna go ahead and use purple shampoo, and I like to use vanilla no yellow, and it's a very purpley shampoo, and it's gonna tone out those brassy knots. So I allow this purple shampoo to sit on the knots for a couple of seconds, nothing too long, no longer than a minute, because it is a strong purple shampoo and it will turn your knots gray. So don't let it sit there for a long time, not at all. But anyway, after the wig has dried and I did the baby hairs, you guys always see me do that, so I just skipped this. I went and put the little waves or the curls back into the wig. So I did some slight waves because it's faster to do like waves. So that's what I'm doing. I'm basically sectioning the area, and then I'm going to take my iron curler, and I am going to flat wrap it around the curler. Like I'm using it as like a wand, if you would. Yeah, I'm using it as a wand. So I'm just going to flat wrap it around there flat. I'm not going to twist it or anything. I'm going to flat wrap it. And then I let it sit, and I'm doing it backwards like you would normally curl because I'm curling it back away from the face. And so I'm going to just do that for the entire, wig. And even though that this was faster than curling the regular hair, it still took some time because you got to do so many of these. So I just thought, like, I'll show you guys a glimpse of me doing it. You guys don't need to see me doing the whole thing because that's gonna be boring and that'll just make the video super long. So yeah, it's like little Shirley Temple curls, you feel me? So this is the wig with all the curls in. I pinned the two front face framing curls back so they could cool down. And I'm going to take a wide tooth comb and just brush the curls backwards so it could just fall all nicely and good. And like, this actually came out really bomb. Next time I'm going to do this again, and I'm going to do it without doing so many of them so they could clump better. And so after that, I'm going to take my pressing comb and just, you know, just perfect everything. Like, you know, I like that. I like it a lot. So this is what the wig looks like after I put the curls in and I got the hairline looking nice and everything like that. And so from this point on, we could go ahead and do the quick install. So we're going to start with Boho Liquid Gold. I'm using that to apply my wig because I just have not been feeling glue lately. So I've just been doing all glueless methods with different glueless products. So today we're going to use Boho Liquid Gold. You guys know how I feel about this. This is one of my jams. I put a thin coat down and then I'll lay the lace down and blow dry it down until it gets all the way dry. And I do that from and I work in sections, so I do the middle, then side, and then once that's done, it's time to cut off the lace. So after the lace is cut, I'm going to go ahead and lay down my baby hairs that I already have basically molded. That's my friend Precious in the back. She actually started a YouTube channel. I am going to go get my lashes done by her. She does lashes. So you guys are going to actually meet her soon in one of my new vlogs that's coming out. And she yeah, she does lashes and she got a YouTube channel, and I hope you guys will follow her when she you know, introduces herself. But yeah, so I'm gonna do my baby hairs and I'm gonna just make sure that everything lays good. After I have the baby hairs laid, I'm gonna go ahead and spray the lace down with some Got to Be Free spray, and I'm going to lay it down with my elastic band. So after that, while it's drying, I'm gonna take my hot comb and just make sure that the hairline is neat, and I'm gonna press everything backwards just to give me that nice little arch in the front, and just to make it look like put together. And then after that, I think that's basically it. Yeah, so you just take the elastic band off and just, you know, fiddle with the hair until it's sitting how you want to. And that's basically the end of this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I'll be down there and to answer all your comments and everything like that. And until next time, bye, best friends.